This is the new waterfront walkway in downtown Charlotte Amalie here in St. Thomas, and there's a lot of exercising options. A lot of people come here to walk. It's very nice. It's going to have all lit up with street lights, and they're going to have, I'm thinking, palm trees down through here. So this is a pretty cool area. We'll show you some of the exercise opportunities. Hey, I just want to break back in here. I was just having a little bit of fun with that video. My wife, when she ran up the steps the first time, she's like, I feel like Rocky. So I was like, I got to make a video about this. So, but I did want to just come back in here real quick and say it is a really good place for exercising. There's not a lot of flat, long places on St. Thomas with sidewalks. So if you're looking for a good place to exercise, you can park at Havensight or at Yacht Haven Grand. We parked at Havensight and we walked all the way down to Frenchtown and back, and that's about 3.5 miles. Last time we did it before this, we walked around in Frenchtown a little bit, and her little Fitbit said we went to almost 4 miles. So if you go that far, that's what kind of a walk or a run you could get. It's a nice, safe place. And so I just wanted to throw that in here afterwards. Thanks for watching. And we've got lots of tours of St. Thomas, and we've got lots of gear reviews of different types of beach gear. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please consider doing that. And if you did like this video, please hit the like button down there and I will make more of them for you. Thanks a lot. Please subscribe.